How to trade on Stockity. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade on Stockity. So let's get started. To begin, sign into your Stockity's account, and once you're logged in, look at the bottom of the menu and tap on the Trade tab. It's usually the second option on the screen. From here, you'll be able to browse different markets including cryptocurrencies, stocks, and other supported assets. Simply select the asset you want to trade and the price chart will load instantly. Once you have chosen the asset, it will open the live charts, and now you can adjust how the chart appears by tapping the chart style icon near the asset name. This lets you switch between different views such as line charts, candlestick charts, bar charts, or area charts depending on what you prefer. Next to that, you'll find the time interval selector where you can change the time frame from a few seconds all the way up to minutes, hours, or even daily views. Stockity also gives you plenty of tools to analyze price movements. You can add technical indicators, tweak their settings, change colors, or remove them whenever you want. If you like drawing on charts, you can use tools like trend lines, horizontal levels, or vertical markers to highlight important price zones. These can be added or cleared at any time. When you're ready to place a trade, simply enter the amount you want to invest. After that, choose how long you want the trade to run, for example, 5 seconds or 1 minute. Finally, decide whether you believe the price will rise or fall and place your trade. Once your position is active, you can monitor it in trade section where you'll see the remaining time and whether the trade finishes with a profit or a loss. And that's all there is to it. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.